嗨，各位同学们好。Hello, everybody. I am Dr. Uli in Uli Oriental Medicine. I have been practicing for 20 years in Hamilton. PhD of Science in Oriental Medicine. Full-time lecturer, New Zealand College of Oriental Medicine, 2005 to 6. My works book, selected notes, translated, illustrated, 黄帝内经素文 published by Yogang黄帝内经灵数 selected notes, translated, illustrated. This is my book, 黄帝内经素问 and 灵数。I am reading Chinese book. The name of Chinese book《中国当代针灸名家医案 Medical Records of Chinese Acupuncture Masters of the Age. Jilin Science and Technology Press. Jilin 科学技术出版社。I am reading this book and learning medical records. We don't have many experience of medical record, so we can learn from indirectly from medical records. I have read through this book 700 pages, 800 pages book. I have read through this book one time, and now second reading. today reading
于梳妆一案选集。
于梳妆一案 means medical cases. 于梳妆一案选集一案选集一案选集 I am learning Chinese pronouns. 一案选集 A selection of medical case. Today reading Chinese pronouns.
寓意头痛，脑外伤后头痛。
立一头痛，脑外伤后头痛。头痛 means 头 means head, 痛 means pain. So 头痛 means headache. By 脑外伤脑 head brain 脑 head 外伤 traumatic injury 外伤 The case learning the case.
Example 1. Headache. Post-traumatic headache.
Post-traumatic headache by after brain injury. Copy and attach on Google Translator. Rely on Google Translate teacher. So Google reading Chinese. I am learning Chinese pronouns.
素 XX 男，31岁，工人。1987年7月17日出诊。
Su, the surname. Patient surname Su and first name XX. Nan, male means male, man. 31岁 old. 工人 worker.
Sue XX. Male. 31 years old. Worker. First visit on July 17, 1987.
Yep, worker, 31 years old man. 31 years old man, worker. What complaint does he have? We are reading the medical case and learning indirectly.
主诉：右偏头痛10余年，近2年加重。
主诉：右偏头痛10余年，近2年加重。Getting more worse. 加重。
Chief complaint: right-sided migraine for more than 10 years, which has worsened in the last 2 years.
Yeah, the main symptom, right side head, migraine, for more than 10 years, a long time, had headache on right side. Getting more aggravated in the past 2 years. Getting more worse. Just before 2 years, during 2 years. Reading Chinese character.
病史：20岁时右头部被重物击伤，右眼眶局部淤血，几天后淤血被吸收，但出现右侧头隐痛，持续10余年，未予治疗。
未予治疗。cure。病史history medical history 病史。And translate into English. What history does he have?
Medical history. At the age of 20, the right side of the head was hit by a heavy object, resulting in local bruising around the right eye. The bruising was absorbed a few days later, but a dull headache on the right side of the head persisted for more than 10 years without treatment.
At the age of 20, hit by a heavy object. on the right side of the head. Right side head hit by heavy object, so causing local bruising of the right eye socket. Right eye socket bruising. Directly hit on her eye socket, but the impact affect to the eye also. So right eye socket show bruising. But the bruise was observed after a few days, disappeared. Bruise disappeared. But dull pain in the right side of the head appeared. That one lasted for more than 10 years and didn't have any treatment. Oh. Copy Chinese sentence and paste Google Translator, and Google Translator reading Chinese pronounce.
近2年来，右侧头部呈闪电样刺痛，多在午后，晨起时发作，阴雨天加重。每次发作持续30秒钟左右，疼痛中时用手指按压可减轻。
疼痛 means pain, 疼痛。重时用手指按压可减轻。近2年来阳年 2 years. In English,
For the past 2 years, I have been experiencing lightning-like stabbing pains on the right side of my head, which mostly occur in the afternoon and morning, and are aggravated on rainy days. Each attack lasts for about 30 seconds, and pressing with my fingers can relieve the pain when it is severe.
Last 2 years, he has had lightning-like stabbing pains on the right side of his head, mostly in the afternoon and in the morning. Afternoon and in the morning occurred, and aggravated, more worse, aggravated on rainy day, aggravated. Each attack lasts about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So. Oh, not long. Just 30 seconds. When the pain is severe, press with the finger. Press with the finger at sore point. Can relieve. Helpful. Reading Chinese.
检查，神志清楚，言语流利，舌质红，脉弦细，血压11/15 0.4千帕斯卡，86/116毫米汞柱，头部 cort 未见异常。
Let's reading one more. 检查 means examination. 检查神志清楚，言语流利，舌质红，脉弦细，血压11，头部 CT 未见异常。
Examination revealed that the patient was alert and fluent in speech, with a red tongue and a thready pulse. Blood pressure was 15/11.4 kPa, 116/86 of a millimeter of mercury. Head CORT scan showed no abnormalities.
Examination. Patient conscious and speaking fluent and tongue red tongue. Red tongue means some fire inside, especially in heart, and thready pulse, thready and wiry. 弦细，脉弦细，弦脉 wiry pulse related with the liver. And thready means very the flow like thready. That means blood couldn't feel full blood vessel couldn't fill fully. It's like a water stream, water flow, water stream, very narrow, small. That means not enough blood, can't create good pumping power. Low blood. Blood pressure 116/86. Not so high. And head CT scan, no abnormality. Looks normal.
诊断：头痛，脑外伤后头痛，淤血阻络型。
诊断 diagnosis 头痛 headache 脑外伤后头痛淤血阻络型淤血阻络型淤血 that is blood stasis.
Diagnosis: headache, post-traumatic headache, blood stasis obstructing the collaterals type.
Diagnosis: headache by post-traumatic headache. Blood stasis happen. Blood stasis like bruise damage it with heating and obstruction collateral part, obstruction 络 blocked. Has obstruction at collateral part 络
治疗：活血化瘀，通经止痛。
治疗 treatment 活血化瘀活血化瘀通经止痛通 means open. Jing means meridian. Open the meridian channel. Let open meridian channel. Meridian channel damaged, blocked. So regulate, open, unblock meridian collateral, and so stop pain, relieve pain. 活血 活 means active. 血 means blood. Make blood active, real life. 活 real life. Let blood active, move, fresh, real life. 化 V means blood stasis. 化 means melting, transformation. Remove blood stasis. 活血化瘀，痛经止痛。
Treatment promotes blood circulation, removes blood stasis, regulates menstruation, and relieves pain.
Google translation has wrong. Here, the 痛经 means in here, not menstruation. Here, 经 means meridian. It's wrong. Not menstruation problem. Man doesn't have a menstruation. So
treatment promotes blood circulation, removes blood stasis, regulates menstruation, and relieves pain.
How can we promote blood circulation? How can we promote blood circulation? If we make blood circulation better, and then can wash out bruise, blood stasis could be washed and cleaned. So promote blood circulation and remove blood stasis. How can we remove blood stasis? That is, supply more good fresh oxygen and more good fresh blood, and let our body have good blood flow. So regulate meridian, and relieve pain. How can we relieve pain? How can we relieve pain? How can we regulate meridian and collateral blockage? How can we remove blood stasis? How can we promote blood circulation? What point can we select? What point could we use?
去学格于尾中阳陵泉。
去学 take select point 学 means whole 格数尾中阳陵泉
Acupoints. Gashu, BL17. Weizhong, BL40. Yangalingquan, GB34.
Take 格数is blood meeting point. So stimulate, tonify, activate our blood, let our blood more active. So promote blood circulation. To promote blood circulation, we can choose 格数 and 尾中 foot 太阳经 running through our back and back head, rear part. And 阳陵泉 gallbladder GB34
Acupoints. Gashu, BL17. Weizhong, BL40. Yangalingquan, GB34.
Why take away Zhong? Yanglin Quan is a muscle meeting point. To improve muscle function. Yanglin Quan. And foot 小阳丹 gallbladder point. So can stimulate gallbladder. So can have good digestion and 小阳经 yang energy. It can produce more active energy. 小阳经 So take foot 小阳经，阳陵泉。Read Chinese character.
操作上数学用平补平细手法，每日一次，每次留针20分钟。
操作上数学用 use 平补平细手法每日一次。I am learning Chinese pronouns. 每日 every day. 每 means every. 日 means day. Every day 一次。每一次留针留 means stay. 针 needle 留针20分钟。分钟 means minutes. 分钟 minutes. 20 minutes. Translate into English.
Procedure. Use the even tonifying and reducing technique on the upper acupoints once a day, with the needles retained for 20 minutes each time.
The Google Translate each time show different translate. So copy translate and
Procedure. Use the even tonifying and reducing technique on the upper acupoints once a day, with the needles retained for 20 minutes each time.
The manipulation use tonifying and reducing technique that is not strong, not too much strong. 平补平泻 means 平 means not too much strong, not too much weak, just plain, even, not too much strong, tonifying, and reducing technique. Even tonifying and reducing technique. On the upper acupoint, and once a day treatment, once a day, that means every day have treatment, and needles retained for 20 minutes. Each needle retained stay 20 minutes. Reading Chinese pronouns.
针刺格于患者有柔和酸胀之针感，针尾中患者感有触电样感觉。针阳陵泉患者有较强酸胀感。有上述感觉者是未得气滞病所。
Patients who receive acupuncture at the gushu point will experience a gentle soreness and distension sensation. Those who receive acupuncture at the Weijong point will experience an electric shock-like sensation. And those who receive acupuncture at the Yangalingquan point will experience a stronger soreness and distension sensation. The presence of these sensations indicates that the qi has arrived at the affected area.
gushu gallbladder 膀胱经 gallbladder meridian bladder meridian 腹太阳 bladder meridian gushu point feel gentle soreness and distension sensation. So while we neither ask to the patient what feeling, what sensation do you feel, so slightly gentle soreness, make it gentle soreness and distension sensation. Let them feel some distension sensation. And Weizhong point, what feeling will experience is like electric shock-like sensation. Electric shock-like sensation. And Yanglingquan point, stronger soreness means doing more strong stimulation with the needle. So let patient feel more stronger soreness and distension sensation. Let patient feel distension sensation. So ask to the patient while needle insert, what do you feel Where does the feeling go? Does feeling go to the foot, or does feeling goes up to body, to gallbladder part? Checking. So stronger soreness stimulate her gallbladder channel, gallbladder meridian. So gallbladder stimulate, and then gallbladder liquid more produced, so can have good digestion. Good digestion can read our muscle more stronger, supplied more good blood, and promote blood circulation, make our muscle stronger. 阳陵拳. So if these sensation indicate the qi has arrived. The qi has stimulate starting from that point at the affected area. So the qi generated with the stimulation, so the qi from the needle point transfer to the affected area, arrived at the affected area. So qi can make blood flow more easier, so can wash out, clean out, open the channel, so blood stasis can be washed and opened, cleared. Reading Chinese.
针刺2次后头痛缓解，又针刺3次以巩固疗效。随访3个月，头痛再未发作。
针刺2次后，头痛缓解，又针刺3次以巩固疗效。巩固疗效。随访3个月，头痛再未发作。头痛再未发作。
The headache was relieved after 2 acupuncture sessions, and a third acupuncture session was conducted to consolidate the therapeutic effect. During a 3-month follow-up, the headache did not recur.
Oh, amazing. Relieved after 2 acupuncture sessions. Wow. 10 years headache relieved after 2 acupuncture sessions. And 3rd acupuncture session just for consolidate the therapeutic effect. Consolidate. That is 巩固 Consolidate. I am learning English. 巩固 that is consolidate. Amazing. 2 and 3 treatment can cure 10-year headache. Copy this sentence and paste on Google. Read the Chinese pronounce.
暗语，患者系外伤损落，血瘀气滞，阻塞脉络，故见头痛经久不愈。虽未见有舌质紫暗或舌有瘀斑、脉涩等血瘀之舌脉之象，但根据其痛有定处，其痛如刺的症状来判断，是血瘀头痛无疑。
暗语，患者系外伤损落，血瘀既滞，阻塞。What is this pronounce? 阻塞脉络，故见头痛经久不愈，谁未见有舌质至暗 ？What's this pronounce? 舌质至暗或舌有瘀斑，舌有瘀斑，脉涩等血瘀之舌脉之上，但根据其痛有定处，其痛如此的症状来判断，判断是血瘀 头痛无益，无益。血瘀头痛无益，无益。Translate English.
Note: the patient suffered from external injury that damaged the collaterals, causing blood stasis and chi stagnation, which obstructed the meridians. Therefore, the headache was persistent. Although there were no signs of blood stasis on the tongue, such as a dark purple tongue, ecchymosis, or a choppy pulse, the patient's pain was localized and sharp, which was undoubtedly a headache caused by blood stasis.
It is starting from external injury, external hit by heavy objects, so damaged tissues, especially the collaterals damaged, like a bruise. So causing blood stasis, and at the same time chi stagnation. Chi couldn't pass through with blood stasis, so that obstruct the meridian. So obstruct the head part meridian obstructed, so the blood stasis still left at local area, still there. So blood stasis keep cause headache. So headache was persistent. So the patient pain was localized, small part, localized, and sharp. Sharp means blocked, interrupt blood circulation, blood and chi circulation. So undoubtedly, a headache caused by blood stasis. Interrupt blood circulation, couldn't supply good fresh blood to the head, so headache persistent. This word very difficult to me.
Ecchymosis. Ecchymosis.
Ecchymosis. What's the meaning of ecchymosis?
Ecchymosis.
Ecchymosis. Medical skin discoloration. Skin discoloration from bleeding under the skin. Ecchymosis. Ecchymosis.
Ecchymosis.
Skin discoloration. Skin discoloration. So, localized pain and damage, so didn't show the sign of blood stasis on the tongue, such as a dark purple tongue, represent blood stasis or ecchymosis or choppy pulse. Choppy. What is choppy? Where does it go?
Choppy.
Many small waves. The pulse looks like not fluent, little bit rough, many small waves, feeling choppy. So my choppy.
质疑活血化瘀，通经止痛。
治医活血化瘀，通经止痛。通经止痛。
The treatment should focus on promoting blood circulation, removing blood stasis, regulating menstruation, and relieving pain.
Google keep a wrong translation. Treatment should promoting blood circulation. Promoting blood circulation. Because there were blood stasis. So activate blood flow. Make blood active. Real life. And removing, melting out, melting down blood stasis. Blood stasis could be wash out, fresh up with good blood flow. And opening meridians, opening the channel, unblocked meridian channel, and then automatically once channel opened, especially the collateral vessel open, and then pain relieved automatically.
隔余乃血之会穴，委中为膀胱经之合穴，二穴相误，有较强的活血化瘀之功。
隔位。Normally, when we read this on back area, we read shu, 隔数乃血之会穴，委中为膀胱经之合穴，二穴相误，二穴相误。That is combined together. 有较强的活血化瘀之功。
The Gashu acupoint is the meeting point of blood, and the Weijong acupoint is the He-Si point of the bladder meridian. When these two acupoints are combined, they have a strong effect of promoting blood circulation and removing blood stasis.
Gashu point is the meeting point, meeting of blood point. Blood meet together at that point. Gashu, that is gallbladder part. Gallbladder, stimulate gallbladder, Gashu. So that point, meeting point of blood meeting point. So can stimulate blood, activate blood more. And the Weizhong is the her point of the bladder meridian. Her sees. C means big channel. The blood stream starting from valley and river, and last stage go into sea. So her point that is coming sea. So good big energy flow happen on this point. So stimulate 방광, bladder energy, bladder yang energy. 방광经, 太阳방광经, cold water, 太阳 cold water, that is improve water blood. So help to improve blood water. So use water C point, 胃中 for water C, good stream, big stream, water stream, that is big blood produce much more blood flow, blood circulation. Weizhong used for good big blood flow. When these two acupoints are combined, have a strong effect of promoting blood circulation. Gashu is meeting point of blood. So Gashu can stimulate blood stream, produce more, supply more blood flow, So meeting point of blood 格数 and 为中太阳 cold water 太阳 cold foot 太阳 that is 太阳 cold water control water so more water produced so affect promoting blood circulation
阳陵泉为经之会穴，足少阳之合穴，因其痛在侧头，属少阳之位，故针之以疏通少阳经气，活血化瘀而止痛。
阳陵泉为经之会穴，主小阳之合穴，因其痛在侧头，属小阳之位，故针之以疏通小阳经气，活血化瘀而止痛。English
Yangalinquan is the meeting point of the tendons and the Hisi point of the foot Shaoyang meridian. Since the pain is located on the side of the head, which belongs to the Shaoyang meridian, it is needled to dredge the Shaoyang meridian, promote blood circulation, remove blood stasis, and relieve pain.
好，阳陵泉 is the meeting point of the tendons. So meeting point of the tendons, so can control tendon, stimulate tendon, meeting point of the tendons and the Hisi point of the foot Shaoyang meridian, and also at the same time her fifth 经阴枢经合的合 five 枢her of five 枢 her C point her point is like C so big stream on here so Yangling Chen can stimulate big stream tendon stimulate tendon power since pain is located on the side of the head, that is 小阳经 the line. The line is 小阳经 line. So located on the side of the head. So take 小阳经 which belongs to the 小阳 meridian. So needle to dredge the 小阳 meridian. Dredge, open, dredge.
Dredge.
Clean out the bed. Bed of a harbor or river or other area of water by scooping out mud, weeds, and rubbish with a dredge. Dredge means clean out by scooping out mud, weeds, stasis, blood stasis. So clean out, scooping out, sludge, rubbish, blood stasis. Dredge the 小阳 meridian, and also promote blood circulation. 小阳 gallbladder can produce gallbladder liquid, so can have good digestion. Good digestion can absorb good nutrition from the food, so can produce more blood, promote blood circulation more. At the same time, good blood flow can remove blood stasis. Blood flow can wash, open, transfer blood stasis. So can remove blood stasis. At the same time, automatically pain relieved, can be relieved pain. Read Chinese.
虽取血少，但力专而红，故能收良效。作者在临床中治疗脑外伤后头痛多例，皆用此法，无不收效。
无不收效，无不收效，无不收效，皆用此法，皆用此法，谁去学校？谁去学校？ 驱血，驱血，随驱血小，但力争而红，故能收良效。作者在临床中治疗脑外伤后头痛多例，皆用此法，无不收效。
Although few acupoints are used, the method is focused and effective, thus achieving excellent results. The author has used this method to treat many cases of headaches after traumatic brain injury in clinical practice, and all of them were successful.
Although few acupoints used, just 3 points used. What was that? Can I remember? 格数 the meeting point of blood. 格数 connected gallbladder. So related with gallbladder. So meeting point of blood 格数 and 微中 that is 太阳 cold water, so stimulate water blood 微中 and 阳陵泉 is the meeting point of tendon. 阳陵泉 can strength muscle power, that is improve gallbladder digestion function and side part of headache, that is 小阳经 line, so selected foot 小阳 line channel, 小阳经 阳陵泉 meeting of tendon point selected. All of them were successful. The author used this method to treat many cases of headache, especially after traumatic brain injury, was very successful. Amazing. What's this? Today I had reading and learning, studying, medical record, headache. After traumatic brain injury, it was successful treatment. I learned a lot from this case. Next time I am studying 头痛 headache 头痛 headache 血管收缩性头痛血管 blood vessel 收缩性头痛 blood vessel getting narrow cause headache. Next time I will reading vasomotor headache. Vasomotor headache. Where does it go? Today until here